Hello users. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a WhatsApp template with variables and map these variables with the matching attributes while creating a campaign. To start, navigate to WhatsApp template and click on Create New Template button. Input the template name, select the template category and choose the button type for the template. Following this, select the language for your template. If you prefer, there is an option to add a header. You can also incorporate a variable by entering the text and clicking on Add Variable. You can add only one variable in the header. However, for this example, we'll proceed without adding any variable to the header. Next, proceed to the template body. Here, paste your content, and where you want to add a variable, simply click on Add Variable. You can add up to 10 variables in the template body and map them accordingly. For this demonstration, we have used two variables named 1 and 2. It is necessary to provide a sample value for variable mapping, which will be passed to the meta to get this template approved. If you wish, you can also add a footer or remove it if it's not needed. If you want to add a coupon code or website URL, simply click on the checkbox and a window will appear. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, click on the Submit button. Please note, WhatsApp may take up to 24 hours to either approve or reject the template. Once your template has been successfully created, you can check its status here. After your template has been approved, proceed to the WhatsApp campaign creation page. Enter your campaign name, select your audience, and choose your template. Click on Import. You can see a preview of your campaign here. Click on the Preview button to check the header, body of the template, and variables. At this point, it's crucial to map a variable with the matching attributes with the desired detail present in your audience library. For example, the first variable was used for passing name. If any attribute is missing from your contact list, you'll need to provide a default value. This default value will be used for any contacts where the mapping is incomplete or a parameter is missing. The same process applies to the second variable. Once you've finished mapping your variables, the templates are ready to use. Once all the details are finalized and you click the Publish button, you'll be able to personalize the message with variables and the user attributes used in creating the template and campaigns. This concludes our guide on how to create a variable and match respective attributes when creating a campaign. Thank you for watching.